Hello everybody, my name is Mahmoud and in this video I'm gonna talk about alcohol and alcoholism. First of all, let's to know what is alcohol. Actually, there's two defined for alcohol. The first one is chemically. Alcohol is defined as organic compound that contain hydroxyl groups bearing the chemical symbol OH-. While the term alcohol, in its common definition, is a toxic substance found in spirits that include beer, wine, and distilled wine. There are two types of consequence. The first one is short-term consequence. Drinking alcohol can use a loss of concentration and the ability to judge and act on a situation as affects the ability to see and affects memory. And right here we have four facts for harmful. It's harmful from drinking alcohol. Alcohol is responsible for third of all emergency department admissions. Alcohol is responsible for half of all homicides. Alcohol is responsible for half of all domestic violence. Alcohol is responsible for half of the death traffic accidents. So don't drink alcohol while you drive. It's dangerous for your life. And the second consequence, long-term consequence. Scientific research has found that drinking alcohol is associated with more than 60 diseases, and it carries many effects in the body. And the more alcohol you drink, the greater the damage. Increased risk of developing arthritis. Drinking alcohol can use anemia, high risk of cancer, especially liver and pancreatic cancer. Drinking alcohol increases the size of kidneys, affects hormonal function, and increase the risk of kidney failure. Please stop drinking alcohol because it's harmful for your life. Okay, and the effect of alcohol on a pregnant woman. It's the difficulty of the growth of the fetus inside the mother's womb and its failure to a large extent, which result in noticeable weight loss. And there are three consequences for drinking alcohol for a pregnant woman. The first one is small head size in newborns and infants. The second one, the child exposure, the mental retardation when he reach school age, and this appears on the action and behavior action that he performs. And the third one is the presence of wide range of congenital malformation that affect both circulatory system and the heart in particular. In addition, the presence of malformation within the kidneys. And right here we have a question The first one is how many kind of alcohol consequences are there? And we mention it in the top of the page. And the second one is alcohol useful for a pregnant woman? And I think those easy question, and anyone he can answer it after watch this video. And thank you for watching, and this is my resources, and thank you.